From a Microsoft partner perspective, the partners that you work with, if you think about today and maybe 12, 18 months out, where do you see the most amount of traction in SMB when it comes to business process automation and AI applications?
I would say, first of all, it's got to be down to the customers taking it on. I think that's the piece we got to get past is that challenge and that worry. But once we get past that, I think we're going to see more and more business processes who may start small in some cases. Some partners may go in big and try to find areas where there is constant repeatability. How can we just take sometimes those small things, but take us forever to do? I know internally here, I'm sure probably people could relate to this is, hey, I've got to put a contract together for a new prospect. What do? Probably today, we may go and find a similar contract, put their name in and just edit some other pieces. I know we could do this, but we don't do it. But we could put a business process probably in today that basically has a pool of contracts because we're selling the similar things over and over. It asks us some simple questions and then populates that contract. And we could probably close down basically our time it takes to produce one a lot quicker. So I think it's things like that we have to look at. Also, the disparate systems. You go back with SMB, there's a lot of disparate systems. Again, I'm going to use your laundromat one because I like that one. Think about if the washing machines and the dryers are using IoT, how could we get a business process that when that machine is down or there's a problem, it notifies us that in turn, we take it, maybe it's into our central business solution, and then it tells us what the problem is, or we can then call an engineer to come out. At the same time, it also helps us understand, hey, our projections maybe for this month are going to be a little bit down because this machine is offline. So there's a lot of things can happen over time.